So this is Capanos TV. My name is Rochford Gardner. Over there is the Customs and Immigrations Post. I'm here at the waterside, the Cavalla River, which forms the boundary between La Côte d'Ivoire and Liberia. And as you may have heard, the construction of a bridge across the Cavalla River is taking some shape. You see they started clearing, the construction guys have started clearing, and let's reach down to the waterside itself. And so we're just at the waterside, the Cavalla River. Down that direction, you eventually going to get to the Atlantic Ocean. But this is it, and this is where the ferry usually docks. As you see, it's across right now. I don't know, there's no car here to cross, so people are resorting to the usual outboard motorized boat. You see it over there is crossing over to La Côte d'Ivoire.